My name's Vince Kimmy. This is my Sig Sawyer, and we're getting radical. Ah!
Yeah, okay. Tell us a little bit about your gun.
Well, it's a 65 native. Throw it in the dirt. Fucking works. See this? I got dirt in my barrel. It still shoots. Yeah. Go in already.
Do the water test on it. You won't do it.
Put some water in my barrel. Alright.
You can shoot my AR if you want to. My AR over there in this thing.
Load it up. Crank it up. Fire it up.
Here, try mine.
Oh shit. This right here is a
It's a BAR.
this is a BAR. We didn't give a fuck about water.
Back in World War II, we didn't give a fuck.
It's not even loaded.
Becca Freshly.
You fucking clown. This thing ain't even loaded.
Yeah, it is. You gotta cock the thing back. You don't know how to use firearms. You're just like Vince.
I know how to use this. I shot this yesterday.
Come on, Vince. Load your fucking gun.
See this thing?
No, it's not loaded yet. You gotta point it.
Yeah, it was loaded.
You gotta throw it in the dirt. You take it. You fucking throw that bitch in the dirt. You fucking step on it a couple times. Dump it in some water. Get that shit in there real nice. There you go.
Now it's waterlogged. It's like my penis.